All right, everyone. We're at Gulf State Park doing a selfie video on bikes, which is another intelligent thing to do. And we're having a good time. Esther is somewhere behind me. Oh my gosh. Is she there? I think she was there, or else I lost her somewhere on this long path.
Is it 4 or 6 venomous snakes?
There are 6 according to the Venomous Snakes of Alabama card.
But the worst one is that cottonhead or whatever it is.
Cottonmouth.
Cottonmouth, because its mouth is not made of cotton.
Well, the most deadly that we learned was the coral snake, but he's really small and it's hard for them to get a good bite on a human. This is an amazing park. You should come check it out if you ever get the chance.
Absolutely, it's beautiful.
Gorgeous
Beautiful.
and a lot of fun.